Clothes vocabulary with pictures and examples.
Tops.
Tops.
T-shirt.
T-shirt.
He is wearing a white t-shirt.
He is wearing a white t-shirt.
Hoodie.
Hoodie.
He put on his hoodie when it got cold.
He put on his hoodie when it got cold.
Sweater.
Sweater.
I love wearing a cozy sweater in the winter.
I love wearing a cozy sweater in the winter.
Jacket.
Jacket.
He is wearing a leather jacket.
He is wearing a leather jacket.
Blouse.
Blouse.
She bought a new blouse for work.
She bought a new blouse for work. Shirt.
Shirt.
He wears a formal shirt to the office.
He wears a formal shirt to the office.
Turtleneck.
Turtleneck. In winter, I always wear a turtleneck.
In winter, I always wear a turtleneck.
Vest.
Vest.
He puts on a vest over his shirt.
He puts on a vest over his shirt.
Tank top.
Tank top. He wears a tank top when he's doing exercises.
He wears a tank top when he's doing exercises.
Cardigan.
Cardigan.
My grandmother loves wearing her cozy cardigan.
My grandmother loves wearing her cozy cardigan.
Blazer.
Blazer. He wore a blazer for the office meeting.
He wore a blazer for the office meeting.
Poncho.
Poncho. She puts on her poncho.
She puts on her poncho.
Tunic.
Tunic.
She wore a tunic with leggings.
She wore a tunic with leggings.
Crop top.
Crop top.
She likes wearing a crop top when it's warm.
She likes wearing a crop top when it's warm. Polo shirt.
Polo shirt.
He wore a polo shirt to the casual event.
He wore a polo shirt to the casual event.
Henley shirt.
Henley shirt.
He wore a Henley shirt for a casual night out.
He wore a Henley shirt for a casual night out.
Camisole.
Camisole.
She layered a camisole under her blouse.
She layered a camisole under her blouse.